welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my kitchen. I was out picking blackberries. I want to show you what I picked. They're so beautiful. I didn't have a lot of them tonight. Usually I freeze them, but I wanted to make something, a special little treat for tonight. So I was like, well, kefir's good for you, and I do have a lot of kefir. And so I decided to make a kefir parfait. So I want to invite you to make a kefir parfait with me. I wish you could taste it, but you can't. Okay, so unless you make one, and then you can use whatever fruit you want. I just happen to have blackberries, and I think they're pretty sweet because they're pretty ripe. Let's get going. Blackberries, my kefir, which I make out of kefir grains. If you've never made kefir, I have other videos on that. You get the grains, it's a fermented milk, it's tart. So for our parfaits, we're going to have honey. And we're going to add the honey to it. I also have some granola for our parfaits. I happen to have honey hemp granola. Get whatever you want. I also have videos about making your own granola, but this is pretty good. I like it, and I had it on hand, so that's what we're going to start with. So the first thing we're going to do in our, you have to have pretty glasses. Look, we're going to put them in here. So let me move this out of the way. The first thing we're going to do is put a few grains of granola in the bottom of each glass. And then we're going to ladle some of our kefir. I want to show you, my kefir got really thick. It's been in the refrigerator. I have so much kefir, but look how thick that is. It's not as thick as yogurt, but it's way thicker than milk, so it looks really good. And it smells really good. Kefir can get very tart if left sit in the fridge for a while, and mine is. Okay, so we're gonna drop some kefir in there. On top of that, I'm gonna put whatever you want. This isn't really a recipe, it's an idea, so make it however you want. Put about the same in here. I'm trying not to get it all over my glasses. Okay, now to that tart kefir, which I don't mind too much, but since we're making it into a parfait, let's put just a tiny drizzle of honey over that. All right, we're gonna top that with a blackberry, a pretty blackberry, and I happen to have a sprig of mint, which is awesome. We're gonna put that in there. I'm going to stick these in the fridge for a little bit. You can eat them immediately, but you can also stick them in the fridge for a little bit, and I want to show you how pretty this is. And the purple just makes it beautiful. Isn't that pretty? And healthy. So use whatever fruit you want and make yourself a kefir parfait. If you don't have kefir, I really want to encourage you to make kefir. It's really good for your gut health. It is a fermented milk product, and I've got half of that jar left. You get the grains and you put them in the milk and leave it out on your counter for, if you have more grains, it takes less time, so I can't really give you a time, but mine makes a batch of kefir within 24 hours. So I have a lot of kefir, and in fact, I have so much kefir that I put my grains in the refrigerator so they could go to sleep. If you're local, I can sell you kefir grains. You would just need to reach out to me. If you're not, there's lots of places you can buy kefir grains, but it's not something that you can go to a store and buy. You have to find a place where you can buy them. Anyway, that's a very easy summertime treat. Healthy, very, very healthy. And I'm gonna put these in the fridge, and hubby and I will enjoy them after a while. Thanks for joining me. Please like, subscribe, and share if you like my videos.